being filled in many cases they appear more like a check
बिल्कुल,
box
तो जिस प्रकार
exercise.
से निफ्टी के
This is
अगेंस्ट
not acceptable. Documents as important as the financial results, annual reports, corporate governance reports, and others need the level of quality the investors deserve. Not only the periodic disclosures, we often see the companies do not go beyond the deemed material events specified in SEBI regulations to disclose material events. In several cases, articles appear in media which are followed by stock exchanges seeking clarification on the same from the companies, and the companies then replying to the exchanges on the queries sought. This is surely not the way to go. I once again use this forum to request the companies, their management, and the boards to actively revisit their materiality policies and see whether disclosures of material events as per regulations are being met, not just in letter but in spirit as well. My next point I want to briefly cover is on technology. In these pandemic times, both shareholder and board meetings have moved from physical to virtual mode. This is definitely positive, especially in today's times when having physical meetings are not just difficult but also may not be desirable in certain circumstances. However, the virtual mode has created its own set of concerns. Of particular concern are the issues of confidentiality in board meetings and whether shareholders' voice is being properly heard in shareholder meetings. While SEBI will definitely examine specific cases which are brought to its notice, I would advise companies and their management to ensure that such concerns are adequately addressed. Now, with this, I want to conclude by reassuring that SEBI, as a regulator of capital markets, is aware of the challenges in capital markets and the role it is playing in the development of the economy, and will continue its efforts to strengthen the robustness of the capital markets on a continuous basis and on consultative basis, more importantly. As stalwarts of industry, I appeal to all of you to actively contribute in this direction. Giving suggestions to SEBI is one way of doing this, and we always welcome good ideas. Another way is to simply constantly review policies and procedures in your own companies, improving upon them and ensuring that they are world class. Thank you and wishing you a great day ahead. Now, with this, I conclude my address. I would like to briefly
All right, तो ये हैं
react to
अजय
some of the
त्यागी जी,
points which
सेबी
are
के चेयरमैन। अभी फिक्की कैपा इवेंट है, वहाँ पर कुछ बात कह रहे हैं और आई थिंक बहुत ज़रूरी कुछ बातें जो यहाँ पर आप फ्लैश पे भी देख रहे हैं आते हुए कहना उनका बिल्कुल सही है। घरेलू बचत की शेयर बाजार में हिस्सेदारी बढ़ रही है और 2020-21 में जीडीपी के 1.2% के बराबर की रकम आई, उन्होंने कहा। और बाजार में पैसे जुटाने से ज़्यादा एग्जिट वाले आईपीओ बढ़े, ये बड़ी बात कही है। प्रमोटर के बदले कंट्रोलर रिजीम पर भी काम जारी है, प्राइस बैंड और आईपीओ रिफॉर्म पर काम जारी है। तो कई चीज़ें जो रिफॉर्म के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से भी यहाँ पर सेबी चीफ ने बताई हैं और कुछ और बातें जो कही, वहाँ कॉर्पोरेट गवर्नेंस को मजबूत करने की ऊपर काम जारी है और बहुत सी कंपनियां डिस्क्लोजर की को खाना पूर्ति समझ रही हैं और ये बहुत अहम है। यहाँ पर कंपनियों को कई बार अहम घटनाओं की रिपोर्ट करनी चाहिए जो नहीं करती हैं और इस पर गंभीरता दिखाई है सेबी चीफ की तरफ से। कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट फ्लैशेस आपकी स्क्रीन पर। चलिए एक ब्रेक ले लेते हैं।